So I got this one open. This is one of the ones where the sensor is not powering on. Miguel's going to grab a voltage sensor just to verify if we have line voltage on the sensor going into the sensor. I'm just gonna take a video showing all of the wiring. Looks good in here. I don't see any like loose connections or bad wagos or anything. And there's no damage to the wiring or the driver that I can tell. Black to black, blue to black, and this black is going to the blue side on the driver. Or on the sensor, I mean. Pink to pink. And let's see here. The driver, sorry, the sensor is not working. Is there a button on these? No, I guess not.